Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Now I'm going to guide you how you can change the default browser of your PC, either you are using Windows 10, 11 or others. So this is pretty simple, but before doing that I'm requesting you to subscribe this channel and also requesting to hit that like button. First of all, you need to click on this option, start option actually. So after clicking on here, you need to type on the search bar default, and then you will see many options here. You need to select this option, default apps, and after opening this option you will see many options to select the default apps, and here you will see another option, web browser. Then you need to click on this option, and here you can select the browser you want to select as the default browser actually. So here I am using Chrome as default, so I changed it to Chrome, and usually I use it. So that's all about today's video, how you can change the default browser or set the default browser of your PC. Thank you for watching.